Welcome to Effect House. To log in, you have to use your phone. So on the right side is my phone. It says that you have to click on the add friend button, which is this one, and then scan button, which is this one, and then confirm login. The first screen, you see a list of template. We are looking for this one, card matching game with leaderboard. Most of this template comes with tutorial. So if you go to the official website of TikTok Effect House, you will get to see all the tutorial. For example, here, go to library, it have tutorial on most of the templates. Our task is to replace all the visual. If you want to play the game, just click retry. But before that, have a look at this button, media, and the camera. So if you want to see yourself, you hit the camera button. If you want to change other previewer, you can change, then start playing the game. So click the retry button. Now it's playing. Our task is to replace all the visual to anything related to Hari Raya or Chinese New Year. And of course, if you are doing a campaign for a brand, one of it should be your brand. I'm using MMU logo, and I have several visual related to Chinese New Year and Hari Raya. First, we look at the cookie texture. So cookie texture is this one. You can replace this asset. Example, I will replace the cookies with a transparent photo of MMU logo. Okay, so make sure the image is not too large. If you check the original image, for example, donut 3.9, so don't choose a very large image. Next one, I will replace with Chinese red packet, or here we call it as ang pao. Okay, and then next one, fries, French fries. I will replace it with the next one, which is the Chinese lamb. And then the meat, I will replace with the Malay traditional food, ketupat. Okay, now let's play the game. Now you see all the visual are changed to the custom visual that you want. You can upload your background. So the current background, okay, so if you don't like the star and the background of these images, that one will be the cut face background texture. So this one, okay, cut back texture. So this one is the star. You can replace the star with something else. After you are done editing, always save your project. File, save, and then create a specific folder for your project. Next time you want to open your project, it's under File, Open Recent, and you can see that this is the project that you have saved before. Visual scripting. So for beginner, I advise we just play around with the main graph. You zoom in, use your scroller on your mouse. Okay, now I'm zooming in. So one of the element is we have this timer amount in seconds. So it's 25 seconds. If you are a slow player, beginner, maybe we set to 60 seconds so we can have longer time to solve the game. Okay, so now you see 1 minute. So you have a longer time to solve the problem. Okay, so let's say you want to put a logo of your organization. You can use the screen image. Rename the screen image as logo of your organization or a brand that you are promoting. Default texture. Okay, you import from computer and then choose the logo of your organization. Okay, then you apply it and then you resize. Okay, so this one is quite large. So to resize, you can edit it in the scene. Okay, for example, here the size, you can use the inspector to resize. If I hide the visual scripting, now I can see the scene. I can resize the logo. Okay, what I can do is select the logo and then resize the logo, make it smaller, maybe at the top left. Or you can use the inspector to resize the logo. Okay, so the inspector also allows you to reposition and resize the logo. So if you hit preview, to scan the QR code, you go to your profile section, here, profile, and then add button, this button, the scan button. Okay, so you see my phone will scan the QR code. If you want to record your game, you can use this button. This is a record video. For example, after recording, I have a video like this. So to submit the effect, you click the submit button, submit a new effect, and then you can choose the icon of your effect. Okay, then you give a name, memory game, and then next, and then submit. It takes 1 to 3 business days, which is quite long. Memory game under review. If you are lucky, the waiting time to get the status to active could be 1 to 2 hours if you are lucky. To prove that you already publish the effect successfully, you have to screen record your dashboard and then hit this 3 dots button and then share. You'll get this QR code, share, copy link. So once you copy the link, you paste, they will get this and they can open it directly from their TikTok by clicking open app. To scan the QR code, you go to your profile and then plus button here, this icon to add friend is also for you to scan QR code. Here is the shortcut. Okay, in your phone, you click use this effect here. Click the third button here. Okay, this is your effect. Or effecthouse.tiktok.com and check your dashboard. So you click manage your effect. For example, you'll get the list of effects that you have uploaded. Okay, so here, if you see a lot of users are coming from Bangladesh, Brazil, those who are using my filters are coming from those regions. Okay, so it will keep track all the filters that you have made. For example, here I've got a few filters from way back to 2022. Okay, so it will keep track of your previous filters that you have published. So the filter can be active or it need revision. If it's rejected, you'll get red.